This shows how to set up additional cameras that can be toggled via input. Setup here includes a little room with some basic shapes, just for distinguishing the different camera views, and two cameras with a few tweaks. Otherwise, the camera actor is very basic. And then, in the player controller, saving the cameras in an array so we can toggle through them. After which, on input, we start with first camera, then second, then back to the player. Made each camera give something a bit different, just to show that you can do a good amount with very little tweaks to the camera manager. Also, additionally, a camera shake for one of the cameras. Trying it out, we can see each camera being toggled and smoothly traveling in between them. Something quite useful when it comes to cameras is also the debug camera mode. Combining it with the teleport command allows the player character to be placed quickly at the intended position. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.